Hopefully I didn't forget anything.
All right. Well, if you did, it's yours now.
Oh, no.
All right, working on that Hyattsville house project. We're probably about 3 days in. We did demo for a couple of days, maybe 4 days. But Tiffany left me a voicemail message. She said there's some issues. So she tried to call me just now. I was on the phone, so I was trying to call her back.
I wish I had good news, but I don't.
Okay.
So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So at first we wanted to do just a light renovation just to make it nice and give it a more modern look. But as they started to do the demo, it became more apparent that there's a lot more work that needs to be done. So the subfloors are pretty much desecrated. Like the wood is almost like putty. And that's the same for the wall, the extension off the kitchen.
Right. Yeah, where the little butler's pantry area is.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So once they pulled everything up, basically it wasn't insulated properly. So as they were tearing out the kitchen, we wanted to keep that small. I wanted to keep a small closet, but he noticed that the wall was just moving pretty just easily. So when he looked back, he realized that all of it had to go. So he had to just go ahead and tear it out.
Okay, that whole little closet that the water heater was in.
Yes. All right, so let's talk about the bathroom. So the bathroom, the floor joists are totally deteriorated, and also the pipes. So you'll need new pipes, and you'll need PVC pipes because they're pretty bad. So you're gonna have to repipe the bathroom.
Okay. And does that have anything to do with the fact that it's under the house, like in the crawl space, or it's just, what causes that to happen?
So they're corroded. Those pipes are old and they're corroded. And so if we're gonna replace them, we might as well do them with PVC.
Okay.
So, and then they'll insulate them, of course. That'll help with any freezing, but they're old.
Okay.
That covers it. So we have. I'm gonna tell you this too. Sorry. Most of the electrical outlets are pretty shot. So we noticed and aren't grounded, and that's something that needs to be updated.
Well, it's a good thing this is a small little house. Gee whiz. If it were a couple thousand square feet, it'd be in big trouble.
It'd be a whole situation.
All right.
Hopefully I didn't forget anything.
All right. Well, if you did, it's yours now.
Oh no. Okay.
All right. Bye. Well, based on what she said and based on what I know about the pricing, it's probably going to add $10,000 ish to the construction. Hopefully not more than that. Hopefully not more than 15. 8,000 would be a great number. 12 would still be in the range. 16 would be much more than expected, but I think it's going to be in the 10-ish range, which is, like I said, it's construction. Can't do anything about it. We can gloss over it and not fix the core issue and have a nice, pretty house with bad bones, but that's just going to come back to bite you later. You might as well fix the foundational issues first and then put our pretty house on top of it. When it's over, it's when it's done, it's going to be very nice. And we're still only in, everything's going to be done in 3 or 4 weeks. So if you want to take your real estate business to that next level, reach out, give me a call, send me a text, or schedule a confidential strategy session.